135, gonna play a little bit of defense.
With their signature level 1 climb, gonna end the match hanging off of level 1 as their alliance.
Under a minute now remaining in the match. Last shift where just one alliance has the active hub. Right now, Blue Alliance having that. Leviathan's tossing on.
Go!
Ball start. Human players, stop shooting, please.
Match number 21. Lots of ball, lots of fuel flying. This Blue Alliance sending it deep. Red Alliance, no slouch either. Most matches, that would be enough, but this Blue Alliance, between the Golden Horn and Spam, huge.
We're now over on the red side of the field. It's Team 180 Spam.
All right, 921, 477. Fires into the Red Alliance hub.
Here's the red defender, 75-25. Laying down the law over there in blue territory. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Super Duper Robotics seems like they're going for that 360 threshold for supercharge. They might be able to make it.
Trying to get some scores in, and they are getting a lot before Blue now is inactive. Red can keep going. Supposedly they're
Autonomous mode now.
6 minutes.
First 20 seconds of the match, robots going under their own onboard control. A shower of fuel to our scoring table.
Red side, back on the blue side. We got both hubs open for the last
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fuel up high on the Blue Alliance side of the field, coming from 61, coming from the human players.
Welcome to qualification 57 at the Greater Pittsburgh Regional. Lots of action in the middle of the field already as teams quickly collect fuel. It looks like 340's Auto has beached itself on some algae hub advantage. 1601 coming to 340.
Match number 17, big interaction in that neutral zone. Once again, this is all autonomous, and maybe flip them over. Oh my goodness.
He goes to pull it in.
Spent that entire shift gathering enough fuel to...
too much time burned. The Blue Alliance now on a scoring shape, lead by a 2x score. Trying now, and pulls Orion and the Colorado crew.
The 811 right there, trying to hold them out of position.
here, trying to get it in from behind the tower. Nomad doing some defense.
Ready for that climb, though, it looks like. Lining up. Well, the Red Alliance is shooting. 4907 shooting out.
3, 2, 1. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah! 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 Let's go! Let's go!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by FIRST alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com.